Today we define what is chemistry. The basic definition of it is that we study in every book. So, chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the study about all physical and chemical properties of matter. So, we have to know about matter. Matter is everything which we will see around ourselves, that is pen, bed, notebook, chair, table, everything. And also we define it as the substance which occupy space, has mass, and may be visible, may not be visible, and present in our body and around us. Now we need to know about importance of chemistry, because chemistry is part of our daily lifestyles. So let's start. Why is chemistry so important? I take an example. We wake up in the morning and start with our day with toothpaste. Toothpaste यहाँ पर क्या होती है हमारे पास? एक chemical compound ही तो है. So we can see that why chemistry is so important in our daily life. Next हम classification देखते हैं chemistry की. There are 5 main parts of chemistry and there are 5 main branches of chemistry. Organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, analytical chemistry, physical chemistry, biochemistry. Organic chemistry को define करते हैं हम. ज़्यादा ब्रीफ में डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं, बिल्कुल थोड़ी थोड़ी डेफिनेशंस दे रही हूँ जो कि बहुत सी बेसिक हैं. ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री which containing carbon compounds, or also we can say that organic compounds like vitamin, oil, fats, which are isolated indirectly or directly with living things, is known as organic compounds. And the chemistry which deals with the organic compounds is known as organic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry is defined as that which do not have carbon containing compounds, or we can say that inorganic compounds like that marble, blue and green vitriols, which are isolated from non-living things. And that chemistry which deals with inorganic compounds is known as inorganic chemistry. Next देखते हैं analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry is defined as the analyzing the composition of materials. Next define करते हैं physical chemistry. Physical chemistry, the behavior of material. Also I say what happens to an atom when we do something to it. Biochemistry is the chemistry of living things. बहुत ही बेसिक सी चीज़ें थी ये about chemistry. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel and like my video. Thanks.